Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is another quiche. But today, hopefully I've got all the right stuff. I've got this nice quiche type cake dish. Instead of that old big square thing I had before. Got some short crust pastry already made because I'm no good at making pastry. Got some blind beans and some greaseproof paper. So we'll get the pastry rolled out, lay it in here and crack on and get the oven on and see how this comes out. So we'll see you soon. So we're back, we've got a pastry rolled out and in the tin. Just lined it with some like greaseproof paper. We'll get our beans. I'll just cut the excess off of this. And we'll get that in the oven and we'll be right back. we go. You've got a Quiche 2.0 with a proper case that's come out all lovely. We've got obviously we've got our bacon, peppers, and mushrooms with feta cheese and eggs, and topped off with a bit of parsley on top. So let this cool down and we'll have a little cut up, and we'll be back. Cheers guys. So there we go. A right tasty quiche. Quiche or quiche. So this is Quiche 2.0 because the other one, although it tasted really good, I didn't have the right flan trays, whatever you want to call it. So this one, obviously the edges have all stood up. It's going to be really tasty, and I'm really pleased with it. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy and stay safe. Cheers guys.